my name is Kelly and today I'm going to do a thrift haul to resell on Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, and possibly the Real. I can't remember if anything in here is going to them. I also sell on Thredup. So if you like this kind of content, if you want to subscribe, if you also liked, commented on this video, that helps me out a lot. I'm a small channel and any interaction helps my channel grow. So today is going to be a collective haul and I have some really amazing brands, so stay tuned until the end. I'm going to share them with you. And one thing that I wanted to mention before I got started is you can skip like a minute ahead if you don't want to learn how to make $30 for free. So this is not sponsored. I just want to share this because it got me free money and it can get you free money. So there is this website called Rakuten and I will have my link below. It's basically a site where you download a Chrome extension and then you get $30 for free and then you get cash back on everything. Like literally everything. And some days are double cash back, some days are triple cash back, and you don't have to remember to use it because every time you enter a shopping website, it will just pop up on the screen and you just click on it and it will automatically apply your cash back to you. So if you click on my link, you can download the extension. You get $30 for free once you spend $30. So it might seem like I'll have to spend money to get money, but once you spend $30, then they will send you $30 into your account and all you do is request a check. And then from then on, you can get cash back on everything and it really does add up. And then you'll be able to share a link with your friends to get $30. And I use this anytime I'm buying tape, bags, anything for my business or anything personal I also use it for. So it really does add up because a lot of people buy a lot of things online. So I just wanted to share that with you before I get going on this haul. My link will be down below if you want to get $30 for free. Okay, so I'm going to share some items with you. These two things are for my next haul. This is a collective haul, so I purchased these all at different times. This is by J. Jill. And I thought this just gave such a Y2K style. It's that like popcorn kind of style. I think that's what it's called, that popcorn like texture. It is just still need to button the bottom, but yeah, it's just a long sleeve hot pink sweater and I really got Y2K vibes from this. I think people really like that popcorn style. Yeah, it's cotton and nylon, so I think that this will look really cute. I'm really excited to list that. All right, this is Narcisco Rodriguez. There's the tag. It is made in Italy. So comps were all over the place for this. So I might send it into the Real. I have just started selling on there. I have very mixed opinions. I will link one of the Real videos up there. I have a bunch of them. And I'm not sure what this is made out of. Okay, it's just polyester and cotton. It kind of feels like nylon or acetate. It's just a basic black pencil skirt. I don't think I would get too much for it, but it was very cheap and I could not turn down an expensive brand. Even if the comps weren't that good, I just really wanted to try it. So yeah, I might send this into the Real. We will see. I just purchased this for myself and it didn't fit, but it's so cute. It's this neutral tan Madewell sweater, super cute. It's like a waffle knit kind of. It has slits. It's a little bit of a high-low. Yeah, it's a really nice sweater. It just did not fit me the way that I wanted it to, so I'm going to sell this. And then this one also. I purchased this for myself off of Poshmark in a bundle. It's Old Navy linen pants. They are a size XXL and they are new with tags. It's hard sometimes because when pants are elastic, it's hard to tell like with measurements sometimes like what size is gonna fit me. Sometimes I wear medium, sometimes I wear large, sometimes extra large. It's just different with like every brand. So I thought that with measurements, these were going to fit me once I tighten this up, but it didn't tighten up enough. So I'm going to sell these. They are 100% linen. They're very lag-and look style, and I think they're really cute, and I wish that they fit me. Okay, another item that I purchased for myself that did not fit. So Loft, it's not a super exciting brand, but I am kind of into neutrals, and I don't know, I thought that this looked cute. It's new with tags. It's Ann Taylor Loft, I'm sorry. It's not anything too exciting. I purchased this for pretty cheap on Poshmark in a bundle. I think I might have bought all these things together. I can't remember, but it did not look how I wanted it to look on me, so I'm going to list this. All right. Okay, I'm going to share my favorite item, and then we will get on with the rest of the haul. So I have never found Young, Fabulous, and Broke before, but I finally found it, and it's tie-dye. So this is the tag. And it's this really cool tie-dye, like cap sleeve top, and it cinches here, and I just realized holding it up that there is a stain in the back, so I will try to get that out. At least it's in the back, it's not super noticeable, but I'm still really excited to have found this brand. I love anything tie-dye. This isn't really tie-dye, it's like an ombre. It just kind of looks tie-dye. But yeah, this is more of like an ombre. And I think it's really cute. I'm super excited to find this. All right, this has been in my death pile for a million years. I don't know why. The brand is Paoli. I don't really remember much about this brand, honestly, because I bought this so long ago. So I'm gonna pause this and look it up real quick. Okay, so comps aren't crazy for this, like $15. I can't remember if it's silk. Oh, here we go. Okay, Paoli, it's 100% acetate, made in Japan. Yeah, it's just this like artsy print. It is neutral. It doesn't take up very much space, so I'm okay with a $15 sale. And here is the tag, Paoli. Some of this stuff has just been sitting in my death pile for forever. I'm finally getting through it, and then I'm going to be filming my estate sale haul of men's suits and dress wear, things that have been sitting in my other death pile for forever. I've been talking about this video since like February. All right, this is another scarf, and it is Cegon, C-E-G-O-N. It was made in Italy. It's 100% acrylic. whoa, I'm shaking the camera. I probably won't get a ton for this either, but I have a hard time turning down things that are like made in Italy or whatever. I paid like $1 for this, so. All right, this is a vintage purse. So it's a crossbody, and it is beaded straps. And then down here, it is beaded, and it is satin. The brand is La Regale. And it didn't look like this was going for too much, but I got this for dirt cheap, so I was excited to list it. It does have a little bit of wear. There's like some stains, but it's satin. It's really intricately beaded. It's vintage, so I am definitely excited to list this. All right, this I bought the same day as that men's estate sale. We went to another estate sale, and I bought a bunch of hard goods as well. I wanted to try my hand at selling because I don't sell hard goods that often, and yeah, there's a lot that I haven't listed, so. But I did buy one item of clothing. It was a kid's dress, super cute. It's new with tags, Bonnie Jean. This looks like it might be like a catalog brand or like a boutique brand, but I'm getting catalog vibes from this. So yeah, it's new with tags. I don't think I'll get like a ton for it, but it's really cute. It's chiffon, satin, and it's just a cute, oh, I should have had this listed before Easter. This would be a good Easter dress, but Easter's tomorrow, I think. Damn, I should have had this listed a long time ago, but that's okay. Okay, here is another good one. Karen Millen. This was my first time ever finding this brand. This is a kind of gray off-white drop waist dress, and the print kind of looks like clouds, kind of looks like flowers, kind of looks just abstract. And yeah, I have not decided if I'm going to list this myself or send it into the Real. It's cotton and polyester, but yeah, this is a very expensive brand. Honestly, I think I'm gonna list it myself because I'm not quite too sure on the Real yet. So we are going to list this ourselves and see how this does. But I was really excited to find Karen Millen. Okay, next was a pair of Aloe yoga pants. These were, I believe, $150. I think they're a bit of an older style. They are boot cut. They feel just like Lululemon. I can't remember like which style, but they feel like Lululemon. So that's why when I felt them, I was like, ooh, this is something good. But they're Aloe yoga. And yeah, super high-waisted. I do need to depill a little bit back here, and then it has the aloe little name down at the ankle. So for $1.50, I was very happy to pick this up. This I also purchased for myself, and I decided that I don't want them. They are just American Eagle. It's the Everything pocket legging. They are like a terracotta orange high-rise legging, and they have thigh pockets. They just didn't look how I wanted them to look on me, so I'm going to list that. Next, I have a J. Jill. I believe this is linen. It is like a really lightweight sweater. It's a linen cotton blend. Just a blue lightweight cotton sweater, long sleeve shirt. I actually own one really similar to this that is also J. Jill and linen. And it's like the same color basically, but it's not the exact same top. But yeah, this is really nice. Okay, a lot of stuff that I bought for myself that didn't look good on me. So this is by Anthropologie. It is new with tags, originally for $78. It does have a sale price on here. This is like a very muted terracotta kind of color, just a neutral, and it has like eyelet detailing and it's kind of tiered. It's just a tank top. It's pretty long. Okay, next is Shein. This is not a brand that I usually pick up, but I just thought the style of this was so cute, and I know that some of their pieces are very like trendy, so I think this is gonna do well. It's a long like pea coat, trench coat. I always get the names mixed up. It has these gold regal buttons, and I bet I can find a stock photo of this where it looks really cute. I think that this is going to sell based on style. Okay, this is something that I thrifted to resell a long time ago, and I ended up wearing it for a bunch of months, and now I'm ready to sell it. It is We The Free, which is a diffusion brand from Free People. It is a waffle knit long sleeve shirt. It is a size extra small, and it fits like an extra large. So that's one thing about Free People, is that their sizing is so off. Like, I wonder if they even sell anything above like a size small, because it's like, this literally fit like an extra large. So it's just a really nice top. It has kind of dolman sleeves, and yeah, I'm excited to list this. I hope I can find a stock photo for it. This was also in my closet. It was a North Face, super basic quarter zip pullover. I don't think I'm gonna get too much for this, but I think a good 25 bucks. It's really nice. I really like the color. If you're still watching, that means a lot to me. And I know some of these brands are like a little bit basic, so not all of my thrift hauls are gonna be like super expensive brands. But yeah, I really appreciate you watching. If you haven't commented or liked already, if you did that, that would mean a lot to me. And let's get back to the haul. So this is Garnet Hill. This brand is kind of a hit or miss. I have sold it for like 80 bucks before. It was also a cashmere cardigan. It's 100% cashmere. It's a really pretty pink, 3/4 sleeve, button up. So it did have some holes, and mended a few, and then there's a few really small ones that I didn't. I'll obviously note them in the listings, but I think this is really pretty, and I think it's worth listing even if it has a couple small holes. Armani Collezione. I purchased this, I think it was $4 in one of my most recent thrift trips, and yeah, it's a brand that's very hit or miss for me. I have been able to sell Armani for a lot on Thredup, and I'm not getting labels right at the moment, but I will send this in eventually. For now, I will list it myself. I have sold Giorgio Armani on Poshmark a couple of times, not for too high usually, but these are just, I thought this style was nice. A lot of dress pants are a very old style, but this is like high rise, wide leg. I just thought that these looked really nice. So yeah, Armani Collezione, which is a diffusion brand of Giorgio Armani. So I will probably end up sending these into Thredup at some point. All right, next is Theory. There's the tag. These are basically just leggings. They're really thick leggings, and I didn't know that Theory made leggings, but yeah, they're high rise, skinny. They're very thick. You could probably just like wear them as regular pants and no one would even know they're leggings, because they're like really high quality material. So yeah, Theory's like a hit or miss. I'll probably get 25 bucks for these, and that's okay with me. I didn't pay a ton for them. All right, this is Heavenly by Victoria's Secret. It is crazy soft. I wore these for a little while and then I decided I should probably sell them. So they're like a mint green. It's a pajama set. There's shorts and a top, and it has polka dots. It has a pocket. It's not really a flaw because I think it's made like this. It's only on the collar. It has this like texture. It's not pilling, I don't think, but it's just only on the collar. I don't know why. So yeah, that's the only like flaw, but they are very, very soft. I think they might be a modal blend. Okay, next, this is Airy and Ollie, which is sold at Anthropologie. And this is a V-neck. It's like a swing top. It's very like, it's very flowy, and it goes down in the back, and it's like a slight V-neck in the back and a V-neck in the front. Super flowy, super soft. I wore this once, but it's a little too flowy for me. So yeah, this haul is a lot of stuff I'm getting rid of too. So yeah, I'm excited to sell this. Okay, these I purchased for super cheap. I had gotten them in a bundle, and I think it was like 5 for $25 or something, where I added these on just because they were so cheap. And it's Made and Loved Loft. They're news tags. It's just leggings. Yeah, they're like leggings, I guess, even though they look like pants. They have these cool buttons, and they feel almost like suede. So yeah, I'm going to list these. I figured when I bought them, like if I needed a pair of dress pants for something, I don't really know what, that I would keep these, but they did not fit. So okay, LA Idol USA. And I thought that these really looked like Miss Me jeans. I think I got these in a bag of inventory, that like mystery inventory. I have a couple videos of that where I have a source and I buy bags and I don't know what's in it. But yeah, it has like a giant rhinestone here. This also gives me True Religion vibes. I'm guessing I'm gonna get 20 bucks for these, but that's okay with me. They are pretty high quality. Row and D. I'm pretty sure this is sold at Anthropologie. It's 100% polyester. It has the chiffon feel. It's just a V-neck, and then it has this tiered hemline. It kind of has like a baby doll style. It has fluttery sleeves, 3 buttons in the back, just a really nice basic top. I'm guessing I'll probably get $25 for this. Okay, next, the brand is Dip. I believe this is sold at Fred Meyer. It is not a crazy expensive brand, although I did sell a dress by Dip once for $40. So now I'm like, oh, if it's cute, I'll pick it up because I think people are looking for the cute stuff. It is 100% cotton, and it just has little cactuses on it. And it's a slub style, so it has that like texture. But yeah, I literally just thought the cactuses were cute. So maybe 20 bucks, maybe less. I just picked it up anyway. And then this is by Anthropologie. So just like by the Anthropologie store. It's this like sort of army green and white striped tank top, and then it has a ruffle down here, and the back is pretty cool. It has like a curved, like asymmetrical ruffle, and yeah, it's a really nice top. Okay, next is a Intimately Free People bralette. There's the tag. Not gonna get a ton for this, but it's kind of hard to show. It's very strappy, all kinds of straps, but it's like a crochet black lace, and this is the back. Probably maybe $15, but I'm going to list it anyway. Okay, so I think that that is all that I'm going to show for now. I do have a pile of in the box shoes, but I think I'm going to film another thrift haul. So if you watch this video all the way through, that means a lot to me. And I will see you next time with another thrifting or reselling related video. Bye.